Hi everyone, my name is Mary Cromeans. I'm an international educator for John Paul Mitchell Systems and a hairdresser at a Robert Cromeans salon in San Diego. I have the honor of sharing with you our John Paul Mitchell Systems Obsessed box to celebrate our 40th anniversary at Paul Mitchell. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the right shampoo and conditioner to protect your color investment, and also how you can use the right products at home to style your hair and get the best end results every single time. Not only am I super excited about the amazing products that are inside this Obsessed box, but I'm really excited for you to double check and see if you got the golden ticket. If you've received the golden ticket, you get to win our limited edition Cosmic 3-in-1 curling iron. I'm starting with the Tea Tree Color Care Shampoo, and I'm really focusing this at the scalp on Raquel's hair. I really want to cleanse her scalp and let her feel that invigorating tea tree experience. But the key thing here is the Rooibos Tea Botanicals prevents color fading. Now for the application of the Tea Tree Special Color Conditioner. It's an invigorating anti-fade rinse. I'm really focusing the application mid-shaft to ends where her hair is the oldest and most dehydrated. For a once-a-week treatment at home, Keratin Intensive Treatment is my go-to. The KeraTriplex rebuilds and repairs to transform lackluster hair, and AWAPUHI extract replenishes every strand with intense moisture and shine. After applying your Keratin Intensive Treatment mid-shaft to ends, you can tie your hair up in a chopstick, or you could leave it long and braid it. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse out. So I'm going to start with the Super Skinny Serum. It's a frizz-free blowout primer. Raquel, I'm going to have you put 1 to 3 drops in the palm of your hand. Rub it in your hands like a lotion, and then I'd like you to start your application from the mid-shaft to the ends on one side and then go to the other. And make sure you get it on every strand. So Raquel, I started with a diagonal back section, leaving out the front of your hair. I'm going to have you dry this first because that's the part that's around your face. The nozzle is really important when you're blow drying. It helps to direct the airflow and also helps to seal the cuticle. So you always want the nozzle pointing towards the ends of the hair. This will help for a nice controlled blow dry. Super Skinny Serum has lightweight silicones that help to make the hair dry a lot faster and frizz-free. So Raquel, we'll keep going in diagonal back sections to the next section. We'll follow that till we get to the center of your head, and then you'll repeat on the opposite side. One of my favorite things about Super Skinny Serum is that it's also humidity resistant. Now it's time to go to the other side. Same diagonal back section. Now that I've finished Raquel's blow dry, I'm ready to start with my Cosmic 3-in-1 iron. Don't forget, if you get the golden ticket, this is the iron you get to win. So here's the base for your 3-in-1 curling iron. The cool thing is you have one base, but then 3 different options for your styling needs. Once you have your attachment on the base, you're going to press the power button and set your temperature. I'm going to use 350 degrees for Raquel's hair. So to start our beachy waves, I'm going to start in the very back of Raquel's hair. And because I'm using my 1-inch rod, I'm going to use 1-inch sections to start with. The most important thing though, before anyone ever starts using any styling tool, you want to start with the hot off the press. Hot off the press is a thermal protectant. It has rice hull in it, so it encapsulates every single hair strand and protects the hair from the heat of the iron. So I'm going to come in horizontally underneath my section, and I'm going to wrap the hair like a ribbon from the middle of the hair strand all the way to the ends. I'm not wrapping the very end around because I want to leave a little bit of edge to it. I'll keep working straight up the head, very repetitious, 1-inch sections, and every time I'm going to remember to use my hot off the press. So the best beachy waves are ones that are perfectly imperfect. So on this previous wave I went over the top. On this second wave I'm going to come from underneath. So I'm rolling towards the scalp. When you want to unwind the hair, I unroll it just to loosen the tension and slide the hair right off of the rod. I like to let the hair sit on the rod for 5 to 10 seconds. In the very front, I like to roll the hair away from the face. Our last section, we're going away from the face. After you've done your curls, especially at home, the most important part is to let them cool. You want to let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes so that new pattern you put in your hair can really lock in and last you all day. Now that her curls are all done and beautiful, I am going to gently use my fingers, kind of open my fingers like a comb, and I'm going to gently comb through her hair so that it can look perfectly undone, nice and beachy. Your hair looks so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Here's your very own obsessed box with everything I used on you today, so now you can take it home and recreate this look for yourself.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Go online and get yours now.